today you are going to meet Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Kumar Saab.
No, he has not given any appointment to me. I sought an appointment to meet Rahul Gandhi ji today. So far, no information.
You are sitting CM in Karnataka. Any vacancy for CM post in Karnataka, you will continue for 5 years.
No, D.K. Shivkumar himself said it that there is no vacancy of Chief Minister post.
Thank you, sir.
Are you saying that this topic is over forever?
Huh?
This topic is over, that there is going to be CM change in Karnataka?
No discussion taken place. That is my reply.
And so will you be completing complete 5-year term as the Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Huh?
Will you be completing complete 5-year terms as Karnataka CM?
Mr. D.K. Shivkumar himself said it that there is no vacancy of the CM post.
Sir,
Every time sir reports are coming.
I was there in assembly election. I was there in assembly election in Karnataka. Election was out on your name. You are CM. Was there any 50-50 formula after this?
Again, you are asking the same question in a different words.
Sir, rotational Chief Minister formula, sir, if there was any. Rotational Chief Minister formula, if there was any.
See, my answer is whatever decision taken by the High Command, both of us will follow, will obey.
ಸರ್ 2028ಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. 2028ಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. 2028ಕ್ಕೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ.
2023ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಡೆಯಿತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೀರಿ ಸರ್ 2028ಕ್ಕೂ? 2028
ಪುನಃ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಪುರುಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬದ್ಧ, ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬದ್ಧ.
But sir, in charge Randeep Surjewala doing meeting with 1-to-1 MLA. What is the purpose of this meeting?
Please ask him. He made it very clear that leadership issue is not there. It was not discussed.
Have you got any appointment with the High Command? Is there any meeting lined up with High Command, sir?
Pardon?
Is there any meeting lined up with High Command, Rahul Gandhi or Kharge ji today?
No, there is no scheduled program. Neither Rahul Gandhi ji nor Kharge ji invited us for party to discuss the issues regarding the party.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ 4 ಪರಿಷತ್ತು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಗಮ ಮಂಡಳಿದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಕೂಡ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.